Hello friends, a great welcome to my channel. I'm Poonam Dua. Today we are going to cover Mahesh Tatani's popular play Where There Is a Will. This is for Allahabad University Paper 2 Drama BA Part 1. Let us know a bit about Dattani, very popular for final solutions. Mahesh Tatani is an Indian director, actor, playwright, and writer, and in 1998 he won the prestigious Central Sahitya Academy Award for his book The Final Solutions and Other Plays, the highest award for a literary work in the country. Mahesh is the first playwright also writing in English to receive this award. 1986, this play was first performed. It is a Gujarati play, and the story started with the death of Hasmukh Mehta, and he appears as a ghost. The family members all are busy with their own life, and in the play, where there is a will, main concentration is on the social issues. Hasmukh Saab Ki Wasiyat. This is the Hindi version of the play, and you can easily find it on Z5. Hasmukh Mehta, protagonist of the story, not a positive character but has a complete control over the family member through his money and declines an opportunity to improve his interpersonal relationships. The money and his supreme patriarchal position, that is everything for him. He doesn't care for anyone. Even उनकी डेथ के बाद भी उनको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती है. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि डेथ के बाद तो एटलीस्ट we start praising that person, but that does not happen with him. डेथ के बाद उनकी सोल उनके घर में ही रह जाती है, and he keeps on looking at the actions of each and every family member कि किस तरीके से उनको अभी भी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिल रही है. इनफैक्ट उनकी एक मिस्ट्रेस थी किरण. किरण को फैमिली मेंबर्स ने रिस्पेक्ट करना शुरू कर दिया है, बट नॉट हिम. किरण uses her behavioral power actually to improve her relationships, but this person, Hasmukh Mehta, never knew the meaning of interpersonal relationship. These are the characters. आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में कैरेक्टर्स आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए आ सकते हैं. हसमुख मेहता, द फर्स्ट वन. सोनल मेहता, द वाइफ. सन अजीत, daughter in law प्रीति. किरण जवेरी, द मिस्ट्रेस. एंड मीनल, who is सोनल्स सिस्टर. मीनल को कभी भी लाइव नहीं दिखाया गया प्ले में. सोनल हमेशा मीनल से बात करती है और सारे इंसिडेंट्स बताती रहती है उनको. एक तरीके से नरेशन के लिए बहुत काम आया ये कैरेक्टर हम ऑडियंस को. As the play opens, Hasmukh is dead and watching everyone as a soul. और थोड़े से पास्ट इंसिडेंट्स के बारे में सोचते हैं कि जिस दिन उनकी डेथ हुई थी उस दिन क्या क्या हुआ घर में. तो शुरुआत में अजीत फोन पर बात कर रहे थे, टॉकिंग टू अ फ्रेंड अबाउट हिज फ्रस्ट्रेशन as the father does not give him rupees 5 lakh to modernize the factory. Here, in the very beginning, we can see the bitter relationship between father and son. Always Hasmukh Mehta keeps commenting on Ajit's irresponsible and crackpot schemes. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना आता, तुम कुछ नहीं संभाल सकते, you are good for nothing kind of dialogues were very favorite of Hasmukh Mehta. In one of the dialogues, he says, I'm not trying to humiliate you. I'm trying to put some sense into you, trying to fill up the empty space. एक adult बच्चे से इस तरीके से बात करना कहाँ तक सही है? And this person replies, anything I do is wrong for you just because you are a self-made man and had a deprived childhood. Nothing I do will ever seem intelligent to you. You are prejudiced. तुमने अपने आप ही एक नोशन बना लिया है मेरे बारे में कि आई एम गुड फॉर नथिंग. Here we can find that Hasmukh keeps nagging Ajit, calling him a big zero, and affirms that he would ever remain so. हमेशा zero थे और zero ही रहोगी. The argument and counter argument between son and father end up in डिसरिस्पेक्ट ऑफ ईच अदर। इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक दूसरे को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता। महेश दत्तानी ने फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स पर भी फोकस किया है, द वाइफ सोनल एंड डॉटर इन लॉ प्रीति। So Mahesh Tatani focuses on the female characters who are always busy for work. बड़ा ही stereotypical environment दिखाया गया है, always busy for work, preparing for lunch, dinner, always busy around dinner table. Sonal and Preeti are always busy with making dinner. Sonal also makes orange flavored halwa once for Ajit and this irritates her husband. बेटे के लिए इतनी मेहनत क्यों की जा रही है? I am diabetic, how can you make halwa? From this interaction of the characters, it is very much evident that they do not have a deep bond with each other. Sonal and Preeti once are talking. Sonal says he thinks of himself to be a king. अपने आप को बादशाह समझते हैं. Have you ever seen him smile? अब देखिए इन कैरेक्टर का, इन महर्षि का नाम क्या है? हंसमुख, और कभी स्माइल नहीं करते. That is an irony. Sonal and Preeti talking with each other at that time. Sonal ironically comments on the meaning of Hasmukh, which means a smiling face. But here we can see her husband never smile, blaming her and her son for all the problems. सोनल और प्रीति का आपस का जब भी कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है, यू कैन सी इन दिस प्ले दैट दे आर अब्यूजिंग एंड टॉकिंग नेगेटिव ऑफ हसमुख मेहता. जब हसमुख मेहता की डेथ हो जाती है, वेरी सेम डे ही फील्स वेरी हैप्पी. I'm dead. I can see my own body lying still on the bed, looking peaceful but dead. And one feels so good after dying. This is a dialogue. No BP, no sugar, no body ache, nothing, no trouble at all. Now let us see what happens. हसमुख साहब का गोस्ट जो है वो घर में रहता है और सारे मेंबर्स के रिएक्शंस देखता रहता है. In the meantime, the family solicitor has called all of them to read his will, and when they return, they are not only disappointed at the behavior of the old man, but they are angry with him. बड़े ही नाराज हैं. अब हमें पता चलता है कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुई है विल रीडिंग में, एंड इवन गो टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ अब्यूजिंग हिम, अ पर्सन हु इज रिसेंटली डिसीज्ड. बिकॉज, अब जानते हैं रीजन. बिकॉज इन हिज विल दे हैड बीन debarred from having his money. किसी को भी इनके पैसे नहीं मिले. Rather, he had made a trust, and an employee of the office, one of the directors, Mrs. Kiran, had been appointed the trustee. Mrs. Kiran, who was his mistress, उनको ट्रस्टी अपॉइंट किया गया. फैमिली मेंबर्स को एम्प्लॉय की तरह ट्रीट किया गया, लेकिन पूरी मनी उनके नाम पर नहीं की गई है. किरण जो कि हसमुख साहब की मिस्ट्रेस हैं, शी हैज कम टू स्टे इन द हाउस, बीइंग नेम्ड द एग्जीक्यूटर ऑफ द विल. किरण को यहाँ आकर रहना होगा, तभी सबको पैसे मिलेंगे. दैट इज वन कंडीशन. फैमिली को अकोमोडेट करना होगा किरण के साथ. किरण establishes her vitalness as she has come to assist them as per Hasmukh's will. किरण पूरी फैमिली के साथ अच्छे रिलेशनशिप बनाने में सक्सेसफुल हो जाती है by the end. By trying to establish supreme control over his family through his money and will, Hasmukh was only perpetuating the filthy tradition inherited from his father. हसमुख साहब ने मरते मरते भी ऐसी विल बनाई कि पूरी फैमिली को उनके कंट्रोल में रहना पड़े, और उनके मरने के बाद भी देखिए उन्हें अब्यूज किया जा रहा है. लेकिन किरण जो कि फैमिली के लिए एक एनिमी टाइप पर्सन होनी चाहिए थी, उनको फैमिली धीरे धीरे एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है बिकॉज ऑफ हर नाइस बिहेवियर. Somewhere the hegemony, the control had to stop. Ajit revolts against patriarchy and establishes his final victory. Slowly and steadily सबका बॉन्ड एक दूसरे के साथ बन जाता है, and they are in a victorious position, and Hasmukh Sahab is defeated. At the end, they all joined hands. Sonal, Kiran, Preeti, Ajit. They all joined hands, being victims of the same male domination and the ruthless patriarchy. So the basic themes of the play are generation gap, domestic violence. Violence is not always in the form of beating and physical violence. It can be a mental trauma as well. Extramarital affairs, एंड ह्यूमन नेचर, किस तरीके से एक सिंगल ह्यूमन पूरी फैमिली का कंट्रोल चाहता है. And display also satirizes modern contemporary society and its long prevalent malpractices like the hegemony, the control, the domination, the patriarchy system. Although the play was written in the backdrop of a Gujarati family, this is applicable to, I think, all families of India, specifically joint family system prevalent in several parts of India. Also, we can say at the end of the play, Kiran's assessment of extreme patriarchal control in Hasmukh as a substitute for his inadequacy as a man. Most of the males, I'm not being stereotypical, but telling about most of the stories and most of the things that are prevailing in the society, they feel that if they will be hegemonic, they will be dominating everyone, then they will be called man, which is not true. In the end, Kiran is the one who takes over the family and she is the one who runs like a real head of the family, makes a great bond, great relationships with everyone, resolves all the conflicts among the characters and bring them together to derive benefit from हसमुख's will. सबको साथ साथ रहकर जितना बेनिफिट मिल सकता है एक दूसरे की कंपनी से, बॉन्ड से और विल से, that has been done by the end by Kiran. I hope you loved the video. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel and provide your valuable feedback in the form of comments.